So we are back to episode the third of second volume. Um, what happened in the last episode? A lot of things, but for sure, one thing that I can tell for you, if you don't know yet, I have Discord, and there I can talk with you guys ahead of time because I'm now in the future. Okay, that was a terrible explanation. Right now, I'm probably finishing the second volume when you're watching this on YouTube. So you can talk with me on the Discord right now and see my theories about what I'm thinking, and also some of my conversations with the moderator and things that we talk about the show. And yeah, so get there. And let's have a good community here. Also, remember, Roasted Tooth is the original creator, so go there in their website and the YouTube channel that they have as well, and support them. If you can, support here as well, because I need a lot. So let's begin this episode on now. Really, dude? You're still trying?
I've got 2 tickets to the new Spruce Willis. I want to make the trip to Vale. I hear it's awesome.
How much time is from one encounter to other?
Maybe after that we could study together? I mean, you're smart and I'm a...
I love the you know.
And then
Wow.
timed that one wrong, I guess.
Which I
The stunning conclusion to the
don't
story will
know how
happen
much I can wait for this story to continue.
next time.
Weiss? Did you hear me?
Wow,
Yes.
that was amazing. Yeah, one day you're gonna learn that she don't really care about you, guy. Like, and you have Pyrrha, come on, it's so obvious. Oh,
I thought that class.
wait.
All right, guys.
New-
Today, the
new
investigation
clothes.
begins. I'm glad to see we're taking
Okay,
this so seriously.
interesting.
Hey, we got a plan.
Wow.
Moderately serious. Right. Everyone remember their roles? You and I will head to the CCT to check
Okay.
the Schnee records for any other dust robberies or inconsistencies.
True. Good
As long
plan.
as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem. The White Fang has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members.
Yeah, but that
We
is...
can hopefully find out what they're planning. I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows
I feel Blake
everything.
could be a problem.
Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard.
Wait, what are you gonna do?
Great, we'll meet up tonight near Yang to go over what we found. Let's do
Yeah,
this.
plan destroyed already.
Son, how did you get up there?
It's easy. I do it all the time.
What?
Wow.
I climb trees all the time. So, are we finally getting back at that torture guy?
We
Blake,
are going to
I
investigate
totally
the
get,
situation
but
as a team.
yeah,
Sorry, son,
this is not gonna
we
work.
wouldn't get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get friends.
Of
involved.
course.
That's why I brought Neptune. Sup?
How did you even get up here?
I have my ways.
Well, but you have your ways.
We're like really high up right now.
Do your ways and
I'll go with Weiss.
opposite.
You can go with Blake. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good? Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang?
Ah, interesting.
After all, she is your sister. But I
I see. Yep.
Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
Wow. Oh, sorry.
Wow! I forget how big the transmit tower looks up close. You should see the one in Atlas. That was the first one, right? Correct. Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the four kingdoms to communicate
Okay.
with one another.
Lore.
It was their gift to the world after the Great War. Ooh, look at me. My name is Weiss. I know facts.
Wow.
I'm rich. Don't be a pest. Besides, the only reason we're here is because you like the
Wow.
tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library. I know, but it's so cool.
Yeah, and destroyed.
I'm gonna take
Oh,
a picture.
nope. Oh, you.
Oh, you dropped this. Penny? Where have you been? We haven't seen you since the night at the docks. Sorry, I think you're confused.
Yeah.
I've got to go. What was that about? I don't know, but I'm going to find out. You go make your call. I'll meet up with you later. Wait!
Okay, let's say later. If I remember.
Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks. There there seems to be a misunderstanding.
Okay, you're totally a robot.
Penny, is everything okay? Penny, please stop. Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night.
Okay,
Please,
you're gonna tell?
as a friend.
Totally understandable.
It isn't safe to
But
tell
whether
you.
is safe? So, I do really like the new outfits. I feel that I don't know which one I like the most. I feel maybe Wise.
Hello, welcome to the CCT. How may I help you?
I'd like
So
to
tell me in the comment section
Absolutely.
which one is your favorite new costume of all the four main characters.
Perfect. Thank you, Miss Snee.
Okay. She probably not liking having to talk with their family. I don't know.
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Oh, okay. Oh, like it's just a hologram.
Hi, Mom. How are things back in Signal?
So,
Thank you for calling the Atlas.
secretary.
Miss Snee, good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
No, thank you. I was actually wondering if you could find some files for me. I found a
Avoiding
short
family,
list.
or just she don't feel that really is necessary.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
I don't know what this right was about.
The data's being transferred to your scroll now.
Wonderful. That will be all then.
Are you sure you wouldn't like me to patch you through?
I'm sure that she will do that.
Yes.
And then the father will call her, like, what you did with that file? Something like that. And her face kind of says a lot of that. Okay, so you can tell what it is now?
I wish I could help
Huh.
you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh no, nothing like that. Well then where did
Okay.
you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot. Believe me.
Yeah, so
But why not let us know you were okay? I was asked not to talk to you.
specifically,
Weiss or Blake
or just anybody?
Anybody, really? Was your dad that upset? No, it wasn't my father.
The A3130 has been the standard security model of Remnant for several years. And they have done a fine
Okay.
job, wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree? But the Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it? Presenting?
You really need to do that with the old ones. Like, I never really liked when they do that.
Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. These models will become active later this year, but they won't be alone. Now,
The only thing that I really think of
men from the dangers of the battlefield.
is from Star Wars, the clones,
Undoubtedly require a human touch.
and then they're gonna call
Our kingdom's greatest minds,
Penny?
in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce the
Oh,
Elysian
maybe not. Okay, I was sure that they would call Penny.
Now, we couldn't have them here for you today, but these mechanized
I'm totally seeing Ruby and everybody else have to face this
Ruby,
um
maybe we should go somewhere else.
robots and the armors.
Penny? Wait, where are you going?
Okay. What was that now? Okay. Who? She gonna destroy? Yep. It's really good that she can like do that really fast, considering how complicated is also her mechanically complicated is her weapon. Not good. Oh. Oh. Of course, the shopkeeper.
Penny? Are you okay?
Shopkeeper is a god. He cannot like be hurt. I mean,
Penny, come back!
Call the police?
huh. Okay, is this the big reveal that she's some kind of robot?
Penny! Please! What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that? I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it. Penny, if you can just tell me what's wrong, I can help you. No.
Really?
You wouldn't understand.
Is not okay.
Let me try. You can trust
Yeah.
me. You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend?
And
I promise.
da.
Ruby, I'm not a real girl.
Oh. Okay.
Oh.
Just a second. So before we begin with the review, let's just see the questions and the review for from our moderator, Elisa. Let's see what we get from me. I think Dear John is going to get a Dear John letter from Wise any minute now. Good one. Yep. Yep, I do agree with that. New outfits, yeah. Yeah, I do agree with that feeling. So trying to answer is not or not questions, but like, yeah, John. I think I just say everything I had to say in the episode about that. But like, John, so obvious that one, Wise don't like you at all since the first time that you saw her, and two, Pura obviously like you so much. Like, dude. New outfits. I think that I like all of them, but I'm gonna get I'm gonna do it. I don't know. I'm gonna make Wise. I feel Wise is my favorite one of the new outfits. So tell me which one is yours. Do you think Wise just don't need to bother her family right now, or is something more? Yeah, I kind of did question that during the episode. So I until the whole conversation, I was with that question in my mind. If was she was thinking that was really not necessary, or if she just don't want to talk with them. But as soon as the message ends, and we see the reflection on the screen of her wife's face, I knew that yeah, totally she's trying to avoid her family. Specifically, it was mentioned her father and her sister. So we know that those two are alive. We don't know if her mother is alive yet, because I don't remember if they mentioned her mother yet. But at the very least, she has a father and a sister, which I can imagine that is an older sister. Um, oh yeah, or something more. I do feel that she's trying to avoid them. I did make some theories. I don't remember if it was on some of the previous videos or one of the conversations that I had with my moderator, but for sure I did some theories about her family be. I don't know if they're going to be villains in the future, but for sure they're going to be involved in something big in the future because we still had a lot to learn about her and her family is like a big company of dust, whatever. So yeah. Oh, and I didn't say she wasn't a robot. I just said she was wearing a backpack. I didn't lie. You know, sorry. You know how the worst kept secret in the show. Hope I managed to knock back into surprise territory. Haha. Okay, so this was. Let me explain this. Um, some of the conversations that I have, if you don't got yet on the Discord, go there. You can see the whole conversation that I had with her, my moderator, and she asked to me about. No, she was no. But wait. No, this was before the conversation that we had about each character separately and what I think about them and what inspiration that they had. She kind of mentioned. I had already finished reacting to the finale of the first volume, and then she saw she talked. Oh yeah, but that was not a backpack. No, sorry, that was not her. Her 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 back open is her. She has a backpack. She has a bag right in her back. God damn it, that's so hard to say. In the finale when it opens and we see the knives flowing. Yeah, and we had a conversation because it kind of goes with the idea with, well, I don't have fully knowledge of English, so that was a strange communication with that. But basically, yeah, she didn't spoil me anything. Of course, um, I already had the idea that Penny was some kind of robot or doll or whatever. I think I say that many times during the episode itself. Uh, oh, she's a robot. She's a doll. She has to be something, right? So yeah, you don't to you specifically, Elisa. Yeah, you didn't spoil me anything. But I also did not go to surprise territory because it was so obvious that she was some kind of robot or whatever in the beginning. When the first moment that I see her, the way that she walks, the way that she talks, everything. So, yeah, yeah, this is a really bad secret. Even if without that scene specifically, that kind of throw off a lot. Yeah, it is very easy to figure out that not a she's an artificial life. So here some some no spoiler facts. In the beginning, John asked Wise if she would like to see a new Bruce Willis movie with him. This is a reference to the real world actor Bruce Willis, who is known for his action movies. Yeah, I do know him, and yes, I did get that reference, or at least I was thinking of that on my mind all the time. I don't remember if I said. The episode titles alludes to the backups made by Penny whatever she tells a lie. Huh, interesting. I did notice when she did that the first time, I feel, or the second, I don't remember. And I did link with the title. However, I was not even noticing that it was every time that she tell a lie, which again comes to the inspiration for her, which is Pinocchio. Which again, I had all the conversation with my moderator about inspirational, about all the characters. So go there, at least from volume one. So go there in the Discord, and you can see all our conversation about that. So just let us go to the review very fast because I don't have much time. We have John trying really, really bad. The new outfits, I just talk about those things. And Sun. So I'm just gonna say this. I know that they are trying to avoid putting other people in danger, and also in a way that I don't think that's what everyone is thinking. Specifically, Ruby definitely is not thinking that, but I feel that maybe Blake is thinking that to not give this knowledge involved and like let other people know. But I feel that with Sun knowing, I feel that the villains know. I don't know if I can trust him 100% Sun, and even if I can trust him, I feel that the villains can find and pick information from him very easily. That is my feeling at least. I don't know about Neptune. I really don't know. I feel that Neptune is a good guy, but I may be wrong. And the whole scene with it was really obvious that Wise want to Neptune with her since from the beginning, and like Ruby, oh Ruby, terrible and reading the mood. And yeah, we had some exposition in lore here, which I'm probably gonna have to watch again to fully understand. But if you can explain me better in the comment section, I wait. I thank you very much. Then we have Penny appearing, saying that it's not safe here. Wise going to the place. I love, like, one of the things is technology, right? So they have holograms, good, but communication is still far from what we have here. At least it looks like, because I only see the map one time in the beginning, but yeah, the map don't look like what we have right now with internet is superior to that. At least it looks like. Then we have the whole thing about. So, okay. It could be that her father said that she should not talk with anyone, but the thing that she specifically mentioned before, with you, with Yang, with Wise, with like, and anybody else, like it could be that he also not he said that she should not talk with anyone, and specifically with those four. It could be, but I don't think that's the case. Again, it could be. Where? And we have the whole new army, which I totally think that we're gonna have to face them some point. Oh yeah, and Ruby moving really fast, which is good. God shopkeeper here, totally fine, of course, and the big revelation of Penny being a robot, which was super obvious. Again, good. I still have one more episode, so we're gonna go there. So tell me in the comment section, what was the worst secret that captain that you ever see someone in your life, your friend, whatever, have to keep? Like you tell something and 1 second later he tells, or whatever, something like that. Tell me in the comment section. Let us laugh together. Something that maybe not something to laugh when it happens for the first time, but it probably right now, long after it happened, it is fine to laugh about, right? So let's just do it, and I see you guys in the next.